How to transfer Notcoin from Ton wallet to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Notcoin from your Ton wallet to Binance. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, open up your Binance app and then click this deposit right here and then click deposit crypto. And now just search for Not and click on that. Now click this one. Now it will give us informations. Just copy this one and then go to our Ton wallet. Now click the send button and then press what we've copied from Binance. And just go back to Binance and copy this one. Now we're going to paste that here. And just click on continue and enter the amount of your Ton. Now since I don't have any Ton from my wallet, I can't go any further. But if you have, just click on continue button and proceed to confirmation of your transaction, and then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.